Alright, welcome channel guys. In today's video I have got a very cool classic retro watch. So as you know from the thumbnail and the title, this is a Casio F-91W. So this will be my first Casio F-91W, which is in special edition, which is the 3DG, comes with the green bezels. So I have ordered it from a third-party seller, so which is based from Noida, Delhi. So this is not been ordered from Amazon or Flipkart, but you can see the packaging is quite safe. It is packed in bubble wrap and everything. So let me quickly open this package and show you what we have got. So this is a super minimal classic Casio box, which is bubble wrapped nicely. So let me quickly cut through it and show you what we have got inside. Yep, here we have the simple, minimal, cool looking Casio box, which comes in this black Casio colors, and at the rear you can see all the details. It's origin Casio F-91W DG. It was manufactured on April 2025, and here are the details. So yeah, let me quickly open the package and show you. This is how the package opens. And this is the box. So this one is not wrapped in any plastic, just a clean design. You can see the watch looks super small and tiny. Let me keep this aside, and apart from that we have got all the paperworks, the date of purchase, and you can see it has been purchased from Sai Creation Watches, which is a Noida based store. They also sell all the Casios you like from the store. You can visit their site and order whichever Casio watch you like. So yeah, here we have the Casio watch itself. As you can see, it's a plain super black watch along with the green dial. So let me remove this tag. It comes with all the original tags. You can see the model number here. This is how the watch looks. So it is super tiny watch, and at the back you can see all the other details. And to see if the watch is original or not, you just have to press all the buttons, and you can see everything has been lighted. You can see all the features, and also it has got alarm, and if you hold the light button for 3 seconds it will tell you Casio, which means the watch is original. This is a super minimal watch. Let me wear it on my wrist. This is how the watch looks on the wrist. Here there is a Casio branding, and yeah. So yeah guys, that's all about this video. If you have any doubts or suggestions, or you want to know something about this watch, do let me know in the comment section box down below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.